In ALARP decommissioning and intervention work, wellhead structural integrity is non-negotiable. ICON's Wellhead Load Relief System anchors the BOP to the seabed to reduce fatigue and conductor stress. Proven and cost-effective, it dampens movement, extends wellhead life, and supports safe and efficient offshore operations. The gravity base anchor, GBA, forms the foundation of ICON's Wellhead Load Relief System, housing all key components needed to support BOP tensioning and fatigue mitigation offshore. The GBA includes pad eyes for lifting, sea fastening points for transport, a recovery clevis and locking pin for subsea retrieval, and configurable ballast to match soil conditions and restraint requirements. The integrated linear rope tensioner, LRT, comprises of the mechanical gripper, initial tensioning unit valve panel, tensioning gauge, and torque tool interface. This provides the controlled tensioning force that helps reduce wellhead fatigue. Unlike traditional gravity-based tensioning systems that rely on large construction support vessels, the ICON solution is designed for deployment and recovery using anchor-handling tug supply vessels already active on drilling campaigns, delivering a simpler, more efficient, and cost-effective method that reduces mobilization complexity and vessel time. ICON's proven deployment methods use standard anchoring and cargo handling gear familiar to vessel crews, enabling safe, efficient operations without specialized vessels, even in challenging conditions. Once overboard, the GBA is steadily lowered through the water column toward the seabed. After touchdown, the ROV detaches the GBA and deployment rigging from the vessel tow line using ROV-friendly hardware, no special tooling required. For multi-well campaigns, deployment rigging can remain in place, allowing the GBA to be lifted and repositioned across the field without full retrieval. This flexible approach supports efficient field operations, reducing vessel hours and cost. Once all equipment is in position and offline tether preparations are complete, the drilling rig deploys its BOP stack. ROV intervention is then used to connect the tethers via temporarily installed attachment points on the BOP. Initial slack is quickly removed using the LRT initial tensioning unit activated via the standard hydraulic hot stab interface. The ROV then applies final pre-tensioning, which is achieved using the Class 4 torque tool, typically applying between 5 to 10 tons of force. The steps are repeated for each GBA. Once complete, the BOP is fully tethered. Field-proven and fast to mobilize, ICON's Wellhead Load Relief Systems help operators manage fatigue risk to ALARP. Our gravity base and suction can solutions deploy from AHTS vessels. No heavy construction spreads required. Built on decades of offshore experience, ICON keeps operations stable, safe, and on schedule. Talk to ICON today to de-risk your next campaign.